Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my version of baked apple roses. With Valentine's coming up this weekend, this is a delicious, fun recipe to highlight the event. So let's get baking. In a small bowl, we'll combine granulated sugar with ground cinnamon and give a quick stir to blend before setting aside. Next, we'll look after the apples. After washing them and patting them dry, we'll slice them in half, remove the cores, I like using a melon baller for that, and cut off the stems plus the blossom ends. We'll slice them as thinly as possible. One kitchen tool you can use is a mandolin that I unkindly call guillotine. We'll transfer the slices to a bowl of water, enough to cover them all, and add lemon juice to it. We'll swirl it around and let them sit there while prepping the other apples. When this step is done, we'll transfer the bowl to the microwave and, on high, we'll process for 3 minutes or until the slices are pliable, not mushy, all right? Be careful with the time because from one microwave to another, the heating results might differ, so check it out after 2 minutes. We'll now move on to the sink and transfer the slices to a colander to drain. After a few minutes, we'll place them in a single layer on a clean dish towel, then place another one on top and leave it like this while we look after the puff pastries. On a floured work surface and working with one at a time, we'll roll a sheet out to 10 by 12 inches and about an 1/8 inch thick. Using a pastry or a pizza cutter, we'll cut 6 strips of 2 inches wide. Now, this is optional. We'll spread some cream cheese on each strip, but peanut butter, Nutella, maple spread, dulce de leche, or other delicious substitutes. Then we'll sprinkle on our sugar-cinnamon mixture. If you don't spread anything, sprinkle it directly on the strips. Next, we'll lay about 6 to 8 apple slices on the top half of each pastry strip with the peel side up, slightly overlapping like I'm doing here. We'll now take the bottom half of the strip and fold it over the bottom of the apple slices. Starting from one end, we'll roll the strip to the other end before pinching the dough together to seal it. We'll place the rows into a 12-cup muffin pan that has been greased with butter. I like to give them a final touch-up on the apple slices by spreading them out a little. See? So cute. We'll repeat the same steps with the remaining strips. We'll brush the top of the roses with an egg wash before lightly sprinkling on the remaining sugar-cinnamon mixture. We'll transfer them to a 375-degree preheated oven and bake for 45 minutes or until the pastry is golden and fully baked. If the tops start getting a little dark, we'll loosely cover with foil. When they're baked, we'll remove from the heat and allow it to cool for at least 20 minutes before removing them from the pan. For a beautiful presentation, we'll dust the roses with powdered sugar. And my friends, these are our baked apple roses. Adorable and so tasty, these little guys are a fun snack to enjoy anytime. I hope you give them a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredients, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!